Hi everybody, welcome to our new English grammar quiz practice set. Friends, this set has been prepared to check your English capability. Don't forget to comment what's your score. See the first question. A blank swim across the river. What will be the answer? Option A can, option B may. The answer will be option A can. Next question. It blank rain tomorrow. What will be the answer? Option A may, option B should. The answer will be option A may. Question number 3. He blank have been hard. What will be the answer? Option A can, option B might. The answer will be option B might. Question number 4. I blank not stand such insult. What will be the answer? Option A may, option B could. The answer will be option B could. Question number 5. He blank be a liar. What will be the answer? Option A must, option B ought. The answer will be option A must. Question number 6. Rakesh blank to win. What will be the answer? Option A should, option B ought. The answer will be ought. Next question. We blank obey the laws. What will be the answer? Option A will, option B should. The answer will be option B should. Question number 8. We haven't blank money. What will be the answer? Option A little, option B must. The answer will be option B must. Question number 9. He didn't make blank mistakes. What will be the answer? Option A little, option B many. The answer will be option B, many. Question number 10. There is blank hope of his recovery. What will be the answer? Option A, much. Option B, little. The answer will be option B, little. Question number 11. I shall buy blank mangoes. What will be the answer? Option A, much. Option B, some. The answer will be option B, some. Question number 12. He is blank America. What will be the answer? Option A, at. Option B, in. The answer will be option B, in. Question number 13. He jumped blank the river. What will be the answer? Option A, on. Option B, into. The answer will be option B, into. Question number 14. They were walking blank the river. What will be the answer? Option A, beside. Option B, in. The answer will be option A, beside. Question number 15. Blank food, we are provided with lodging. What will be the answer? Option A, with. Option B, besides. The answer will be option B, besides. Question number 16. A tiger was killed, blank him. What will be the answer? Option A, by. Option B, with. The answer will be option A, by. Question number 17. The students are writing blank pens. What will be the answer? Option A, with. Option B, by. The answer will be option A, with. Thank you friends to watch this video. Please subscribe the channel for next video. Take care.